Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here with an Etsy update. I've put one of my new kits in. This is Gorgeous Stitching Kit 1. We also have the Fabric Collage Pages Kit 9, which is also part of this series, but when I put that in, I had designed that. I had that done in fabric, or I designed that before I did this one, and so I should have called it Gorgeous Stitching Kit 1, but it's already Collage Kit 9, so we'll leave it like that because it came off my fabric. So this is Gorgeous Stitching Kit 1 in the paper, and there's 8 pages, and I used a lot of my own actually bits and pieces of fabrics, embroidery patterns and that sort of thing, except for the laces. The fabrics behind are quite often mine as well. Yep, I have all of these. Some of my samplers, antique samplers, tickings and all that kind of thing. So just really old worldly embroidery base. That's a sample page, but that's mine. So yeah, I have that there. So most of those are mine, except for a few that I've taken off the public domain on the internet. So I absolutely love them, and we had fun using these when we were in Australia on the fabrics, which I'll show you in a second, because I'm going to list those in my shop as well. And they will come in, I'm actually going to prepare them in packs of 3 because there's only 8 pages. So I'll prepare them in packs of 3, and then if someone orders 6, they get 2 packs of 3. I think that's the easiest way. So we'll go to the fabrics next. I've got a few things happening, and I've got the fabrics in both a mix of linen and cotton. So there's this one. And restocking will be slow at the moment. It's summer holidays, so if I run out of anything, I may be out of it for a little while. And then that one's in linen, so you can see the fabrics. And that one, sorry, it's crumpled, I need to iron it. And this one here. Now, another thing that I am preparing, I've prepared a few, but they're not all ready yet. These packs here, I'm not going to pull it all out. There's a mix of pieces of my fabrics, like fabric ephemera. There's a doily, and there's a beautiful piece of cutter quilt, or there's a log cabin one or another one. Some of them are quite damaged, and then it's packaged like this so you can see on both sides. So very generous kit, and I'm thinking these will be great for textile books. So I'm preparing those at the moment, but I might put the listing in my shop now. And then what I've done is I have prepared, because I had a lady in Australia ask me if I could send things to Australia and have my sister mail them out. Well, we all know my sister is overworked, and so it's really hard for her. I wouldn't do that. And besides the fact that I have to freight it, then I'd have to compensate her, and it would end up costing me the same anyway. So what I've done is I've bundled up some of my fabrics in groupings, and I'm going to put them in the listings, and that way you will pay closer to the correct shipping without adding them all into your cart individually. They will go in at the more or less the correct price of the shipping. I also thought it was a good way for those in the US, because as you know, I'm not using the postal service at the moment, but I am shipping with FedEx. I think lots of people got confused. They thought I was stopping totally. I am shipping with FedEx. I am putting the tariffs on my account and putting calculating the tariff and putting it into your shipping. So when it arrives with FedEx, you have no surprises at the end. Now watch the situation for the postal service for smaller orders, but at the moment I have halted that, so that way you're not getting the flat rate tariff being applied to it. And it's that, as far as we've been able to understand, that's only with the postal service they're doing the flat rate. The couriers are, as far as we know, applying the 15%, and I am putting it on me, so you will not get any surprises. I just need to make that clear, because there was some confusion. So I put bundles of, there's 4 in each of. I'll do cotton, both sizes, cotton and linen. So this is a linen one. Sorry, I've just written down the colors. So I'll make a few packs. I won't offer like millions of these packs, and they will be slightly discounted. Now that's heavy, so I'm thinking I may have to do two separate ones, one for linen and one for cotton, because otherwise I have to charge the linen price for the shipping and then refund on the cotton. And what the point was is that people are paying closer to the correct shipping or postage. So that's those. And then what I've done is, where are the other ones? Oh, here. I've made bundles of my different packs. So this bundle, sorry, I got sticky tape there because I've written down the names. So just a mixed bundle. So there will be, and again, they'll be slightly discounted, and the same bundle will be cotton or linen. And so this one, for example, is French Villages, Red Blue, the art pages, fussy cut flowers, and script cotton. This one here with the script in the back, so cotton pack 1. So I'm going to do a few different ones of those, and when you click on the option, you'll be able to choose linen or cotton, and it will click, and that when you click on bundle A, it'll show you the image. But I didn't photograph bundle A in both linen and cotton. I've just photographed it in one of the types of fabrics. So I'll show you a linen one. And I've just coordinated them with things that I like with them. But it's just really a way for someone to get a few things at a slightly cheaper price and combined shipping already in the listing. So bundle E is English Garden, Soft Blues, Script Pack 2, Mixed Ephemera, which is the mixed ephemera with a couple of pieces of linen, and Field Notes 1. And this is a linen, but of course if there's ephemera in there, they're usually cotton. So that's another one. So there's 5 pieces in each. And then we have I think I did 5 different types. I've got bundle D, which is Pretty Botanicals, Field Notes Ephemera Pack 2, Antique French Florals, and they're all 33 by 70. Script Ephemera Cotton Pack 2. So if I do cotton here, this is cotton and that's cotton. And the Fussy Cut Birds. I think that's so cute. And this is how they'll come packaged. I'll put bundle D and it will be the price that you pay on the, customs declaration. This makes it easier too for me. If it is going to the United States, then it's easier for me to also calculate the tariff. So, of course, the tariff is not setting in until the 29th with FedEx. Some of these will arrive before. I'm monitoring that. I'm charging the tariff now. When I notice that they are delivered already pre-29th, I will refund. I've already refunded shipping on orders that have gone, but I may be able to refund a bit more. Bundle C is Italian Ladies, the art one, because I'm putting things together that I feel like go well together. Script in linen. Oh, which one is it? I think it's Script 1, that one. Didn't write that down. The blue embroideries, which we can't see, it's slid down the back, and Italian emblems. So, mixed cotton linen, which is that one. So there's 2 pieces of linen and a thing of cotton in there as well. So that's that one, and I have one more. And I'll see how they go. I may decide to offer these for a longer period of time, or it might be just in this interim time. See how we go. See how people enjoy it. We've got, on this one, we've got Fussy Cut Birds, Field Notes 1, Neutrals in linen, because of course the regular pages are in linen, Cotton Script 2 in linen, and my regular pages. I call them my regular pages. That was the majority of my digital kits that I had done, and they are in linen as well. So again, that's bundle B. So that is my little Etsy update today. I can put the links in the description box. I'll put all of these things in my shop, and